Looking poor is actually an important part of being rich. That's right, you heard that right. I know it sounds illogical or different than what you were expecting, but it's true. Looking poor is an important part of actually being rich. Let's talk about it today. I am Gregg. I'm with Vertical Vision 405. I'm here to help you grow your wealth, grow your income streams, start a side hustle, and make real money. Whatever it's going to take to help you find financial freedom, I am here to help you on that journey. Let's talk about becoming truly wealthy. All right, so today I'm going to share with you the difference between rich people, poor people, and middle class people, and the ways that they view and use their money. Poor people think of money as a tool to use to pay only their bills. They think there's not enough to go around. All they've got is bills, so they use their money to pay bills. They go to work, they make money, they pay bills, and then they start the cycle over again. If poor people want to look nice, they decide to forego paying a bill and get further behind on bills so that they can buy the thing that they want to look nice. Whether it's nice clothes, nice cars, or nice stuff in general, because of their mindset and their view, they typically will forego buying or paying their bills to buy something nice. Middle class people think of money as a way to enhance their credit. So they're always looking for a way to get a higher credit score. Now with a higher credit score, they use their credit to go deeper into debt to buy more stuff that they don't have money for. They just continue to buy more stuff on credit, going deeper into debt, just so that they can look like they're doing well, just so that they can look wealthy. The middle class are constantly trying to keep up with the Joneses, trying to look like somebody that they think is doing better than them. Rich people, however, look at money as a tool to make more money. Now that sounds kind of strange, because how do you use your money to make more money when you have bills to pay? Well, typically rich people don't worry about looking rich. So they're not spending their money on things that cost them money over time. Their look is a byproduct of using their money as a tool to make more money. So because they end up having more money, sometimes they don't look as poor as maybe the poorest of people that we know, but they don't worry about spending their money on things that make them look wealthy. So today we're going to talk about the importance of looking poor in order to be rich. Now, I don't mean raggedy and worn out, beat up, disheveled. I don't mean that. Poor people who look rich are usually in big debt, so we don't want to look like them. But if you really want to build wealth and become rich, maybe more than $1 million in net worth, you need to change your mindset. You need to worry less about what you think people think of you. Maybe you need to maintain a lower profile. Use your money to make more money. This is what rich people actually do. And this is why looking poor is so important to actually being rich. Looking poor will help you have the right mindset of not worrying about what others look like or what you look like to others. You won't care about looking rich because you're actually going to be in the process of becoming rich. If you are actually wealthy already, you don't need to look wealthy. And most wealthy people, like 98% of actually wealthy people, you wouldn't actually know they were wealthy because they don't look wealthy. Impressing others by the way you look has no benefit to you. All it does is fulfill an egotistical need that you may have to feel like you look like somebody else who's trying to look like somebody else who's trying to look like somebody else. So really, all you're doing is chasing this fictitious dream. Instead of copying people who are trying to look like somebody else, who are trying to look like somebody else, who are trying to look somebody else, do what really matters here. What matters is making your money grow, making your money work, making your money make more money. Most wealthy people don't actually drive new cars. They drive cars that are 3 or more years old. They typically don't have cars with all kinds of flashy options or wheels or radios or other things. They typically drive pretty basic cars, and this is for a couple reasons. They don't see the value in all the fancy extras. They also don't see the value in trying to look fancy. And they don't see the value in having extra things that are going to break that's going to cost them more money in repairs. To them, the value of a car or an automobile is strictly in the thing that it does. It gets you from point A to point B. And I don't need a fancy car to get me from point A to point B. I just need a car that functions and hopefully doesn't cost me a lot of money in the process. Rich people or wealthy people also don't post a lot about expensive trips. Sometimes they're not even taking expensive trips. They take normal vacations. They wear normal clothes. They wear clothes until the clothes have reached the end of their useful life. A lot of times you'll see rich people wearing just normal, everyday, poor people clothes. Why? Because again, fancy clothes don't buy you anything. All they do is cost you money. So why not buy affordable, normal clothing and wear it out before you replace it? Because if I'm spending all of my money on clothes, I can't spend my money on investments that will make me money. Clothes just cost money. So I have to look at clothing and cars and other things purely for the utility value that they offer. A car gets me from point A to point B. Clothes properly cover me up and do their purpose, if you will. And that's the way rich people truly look at things that they buy. Really, who cares about what other people think? Most of the people that you're worried about impressing don't even know who you are. So what's the point of looking good to them? What's the point of impressing them? They don't know you. What value does it bring you? It doesn't bring you any value. So stop trying to impress people walking down the street. They don't know you. They'll never see you again. It really doesn't matter. And the people who you do actually know, they don't care if you're rich or poor. So why not just look poor and take the guesswork out of it so that they don't even know that you're on the path to building wealth or that you truly are wealthy? Looking rich is expensive. It costs money that you don't need to spend. Fancy things cost fancy money and they serve no purpose. So all it is a negative impact to your financial well-being. Also, trying to look rich causes you a lot of stress. So why have all the extra stress and worry? It costs a lot more than the price of the price tag to look rich. Think about this. If you buy something, instead of buying that thing, if you took that money and invested it, in just a few years, that money could be worth 10 times more than what it originally was. But when you spend it on something, now it's worth nothing. You have no value for your money. So that's one way that buying stuff costs you money, because you no longer have the money able to grow and make money for you. Another way that buying things costs you money is if you're buying on credit because you actually don't have enough money. Well, that money that you spent on credit that you didn't have in the first place will now not only cost you the opportunity to invest money in the future because you're going to be paying this off for a while, but it's also going to cost you money in interest. And that could cost you 10 times more than the actual product that you bought. So now you're overpaying for a product that you don't need and taking money from your future to pay for this thing. That is just complete nonsense. There's no reason to waste your money in that manner. The rich people who look rich are a very tiny, minuscule percentage of the population of people who are actually rich. 98% of people who are actually rich, who are actually wealthy, don't look it, and you wouldn't know it unless you were talking to them and little nuggets popped out where you realized, oh, maybe this person has more money than I thought they had. It's very not obvious to be able to spot the average wealthy person. That being said, most rich people don't look rich. They either look average or poor. So looking poor is important to being rich. The mindset that they have of not caring what you think about the way they look has helped them achieve the wealth that they have. Rich people money is working for them to make them money. Poor people money is being spent and it's gone, or it's taking from their future because they're using debt. Poor people and middle class people spend their money on things that don't grow but lose money. They spend money on brand new cars, on fancy extras, on extravagant trips, on extravagant meals. These things cost money, and a lot of these things cost money to maintain. So on top of that purchase price, you also now have the cost of maintaining it and insuring it and running it. Think a boat. A boat, there's an acronym that says a boat is like, it's not an acronym. There's a saying that says a boat is a hole in the water that you keep sinking money into. To buy a boat, you have the purchase price. Most people have a loan on it, so they're also borrowing money from their future. Then they have to insure it. Then they have to store it. Then they have to maintain it. And maintenance on boats is very expensive and very frequent. And then the fuel for a boat is outrageous. Boats burn a lot of fuel all the time. So looking wealthy by having a boat costs you more money than most people realize. And that's just one example. Rich people usually don't own boats. You can actually rent a boat if you really wanted a boat for a day and not have to spend that kind of money. So that's just one little example of the difference between the rich people mindset and the poor people mindset. Rich people don't worry about having all these things that make you look rich. Many people who want to be rich try to copy people who want to be rich. I touched on this earlier, but when you copy somebody who wants to be rich because they want to be rich and then they try to look rich, you're doing the same things that they're doing, trying to look rich, but all they're doing is making themselves more poor. What they should be doing is what the real rich people are doing, and that is they don't look rich, they look poor. They make their money make more money, which makes more money. They stop trying to impress others, and they stop copying the wrong people, and you need to stop copying the wrong people, and you need to take on that mindset of not caring what other people think so that you can have more money to make you more money. It's okay to drive an older car. It's okay to wear clothes for their entire useful life. It's okay to look poor. It's okay if others can't see you building wealth and can't see how much money you have. A matter of fact, looking wealthy makes you a target, and it's nice to not be a target. So if you look poor, you're less of a target. You need to invest your money. You need to have an emergency fund. Get out of debt and live on a budget. Focus on building wealth instead of having fancy new things. The best way to get rich is to start now. Put these principles in place and you will be on your way to being truly wealthy. I know you can do it, and if you need help, you can use a link down below. I will gladly spend time with you to help you on your wealth building journey.